Guys, improving how attractive you are is really not difficult. You can become more attractive and get women chasing you if you know the most important things and take steps to improve them. But some guys do not have a clue, which is why I want to share with you 5 ways you can make yourself become more attractive without even breaking the bank. Before we go into the points, let's have a deal that you will like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find this video interesting at any point or agree to any point made. Otherwise, you can still like and subscribe for no reason. Let us now go into details. 1. Investing on a face care routine. As a man, investing on your face is the best thing you can do to boost your attractiveness. The face is very important because a badly kept face will project you wrongly, even if you have other aspects of your life is well put together. So, to improve how attractive you are, you have to invest in face care products that will take care of acne, rashes, and oily face. This is very important to maintain a smooth face that will help you attract more girls. 2. If you build a muscular body. If you want women to look you twice while you are casually taking a walk, you have to spend time in the gym to build your body. A muscular guy with a pumped chest and biceps is every woman's dream. This is why women cannot take their eyes off men who have gained muscles. Building muscles as a man is very important because it makes you look more masculine and intimidating to other men, while making you attractive to women. So if you want to look more attractive to women, you have to dedicate your time in the gym and work on your body. 3. Investing on your fashion. Having a great fashion sense is a way of telling people that you love yourself and want the best for yourself. Women love men with great fashion because it shows self-love and also shows that such guys will pay attention to their life with same energy in order to have an attractive life. This is why once someone looks great around you, you automatically feel they are doing well in life. So if you want women to find you more attractive, even without speaking a word, you have to invest in your fashion. 4. Smelling nice. Smelling nice as a man is very important because it interprets luxury and elevates your fashion or look in the eyes of others. Wearing a cologne or a perfume shows that you pay attention to details, because without wearing a perfume, you can still have a good fashion and a great day. But being thoughtful to add it yourself shows that you are thoughtful and pays attention to details. Also, women naturally love great smells. So if you want to attract women, you need to have great perfumes to elevate your style. 5. Paying attention to your personal hygiene. Your hygiene is one thing you should pay a very good attention to if you want to look attractive to women and gain respect from fellow men. People pay attention to details you feel they do not see. This is why you must ensure your hair and beards are always well cut and trimmed. You also have to pay attention to your nails. People watch them but will not tell you. Dirty nails tell people that you are a person who do not care so much about yourself. Also clean your room to keep it tidy. Always ensure it is well kept. Little things like paying attention to your nostrils and cutting them when they are overgrown is essential. If you want to attract women, your personal hygiene is one thing you should pay good attention to. Doing all these 5 things will make you become more attractive and will result to more women chasing you because of how attractive you are. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.